Welcome to today's grammar lesson. We're going to clear up the confusion between adjectives and adverbs. Let's start with adjectives. Simply put, adjectives describe nouns. They give us more information about a person, place, or thing. For example, look at this dog. Fluffy is an adjective. It tells us what kind of dog it is. The fluffy dog. Now, what about adverbs? Adverbs usually describe verbs. They tell us how an action is done. The dog is running. How? Quickly. Think of it this way. Adjectives modify nouns. Adverbs modify verbs. It's all about what you are describing. Here is our stickman again. He is reading. He is a calm reader. Calm describes the stickman. Now, watch this. He is writing. He is writing quickly. Quickly is an adverb. It describes how he is writing. Let's compare. He is a slow driver. Slow modifies driver. He drives slowly. Slowly modifies drives. Adjectives make things clear. Adverbs make actions vivid. You are doing great. Keep practicing and you'll spot the difference every time. See you next lesson.